You ever mess up as a parent and feel the shame just flood into your chest? Maybe you yelled, maybe you snapped or shut down. Well, here's the truth. Repair teaches safety more than perfection ever could. Research on secure attachment shows that what matters isn't avoiding the rupture, it's in how you go about repairing it. When you say, "I'm sorry, I lost my patience, I would have liked to behave differently," you teach accountability and humility, as well as self reflection. And that's how trust grows. Your kids don't need you to be flawless, they need to see you being honest. What would it sound like if you apologized to yourself with that same amount of grace that we give others?